Let's talk about Melitta Barista TS Smart F86 Bean to Cup Coffee Machine, Bluetooth connectivity, Melitta Connect App, Whisper Grinder Quiet Mark, Stainless Steel. Enjoy your daily coffee just the way you like it. Choose from 21 preset coffee specialities prepared according to the original recipes, manage several features of your fully automatic machine and customize your coffee with the Melitta Connect app. My Coffee Memory saves the preferences of up to 8 people, 4 pre-programmed classic specialities, Espresso, Café Crème, Cappuccino, Latte macchiato, separate hot water preparation possible for example for tea. Exceptional taste, genuine fresh coffee enjoyment cup after cup thanks to the best Aroma System Plus and the IntenseAroma feature, 2 airtight grain compartments, ground coffee chute, 5 settings for coffee strength. Simple and intuitive, customized coffee selection with automatic bean select, touch display, select the amount of hot water, milk, foam and coffee. Select the amount of coffee 25 ml 220 ml, automated choice of grain type, double cup mode. Preserve the machine and coffee taste with automatic cleaning and descaling, includes welcome pack cleaning kit, easy to clean interior thanks to the removable brewing unit dishwasher safe. Made in Germany, high quality, easy to use, compact design, quiet as a whisper grinder, still conical grinder. Energy saving mode and programmable automatic shutdown, 0-watt switch. Contents: 1 Melitta Barista TS Smart F86 Bean to Cup Coffee Machine, weight, 10.3 kilograms, dimensions WXHXD, 29.5 by 37.2 by 46.7 centimeters, 1 meter cable, milk container included, water tank 1.8 liters with filter, grain compartment 2x1. Love this coffee machine. Mine espresso started to play up, so decided to sit one night going through reviews for bean to cup domestic systems. Certainly an extravagant purchase, but also sure it can do far more than I've experimented with so far. I've really only tried out the button settings for the short and tall coffees, playing with intensity etc., but I can say this is the very best coffee I've ever had. I purchased this a month ago and paid $1,050 for it. So a reduction of $300 leads me to know I was ripped off, so be warned. What's good? Lovely coffee drinks far superior to any other I have tasted. The bad app on iPhone needs to be paired via Bluetooth every time you want to control the machine from the phone. The coffee beans do not flow into the machine, meaning you have to keep on force feeding the beans into the machine. For such an expensive piece of equipment, it is such a shame that it doesn't work as you expect. At over $1,000 I would not suggest anybody purchase it. At the current price I would buy it, even though it is not perfect. Amended from 4 stars to 5 due to contacted the makers who informed me that a sensor near the grinder can get coffee oil on it. A simple wipe with kitchen paper has now sorted this. Still feel aggrieved over the cost, but it does make the best coffee I have ever been able to produce. This machine is definitely worth the money. Makes a good cup of coffee. However, the app doesn't work on iPhone. So it's a waste of money if that's the main reason you are getting this one as opposed to one model down. Also, for those who really like a hot milk, this machine isn't for you. It produces a decent froth, but the milk is warm rather than hot as you would get it in a coffee shop. In the case of normal size latte, the temp is okay as proportions are 2:1. If you like a large latte with more milk, you might find it not hot enough. Overall, good machine, but take into consideration above mentioned points.